Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to easily add vehicles or any equipment under fixed assets using the Fixed Asset Hub application. To get started, search for the Fixed Asset Hub within your user profile and open the application. Once inside, you'll see a list of all available asset item name and category, like vehicles, machines, or tools. For each asset category, you need to create individual asset items. These asset item codes are created in the item master under the respective asset category. For example, under the vehicle category, there is an asset item called Toyota Hilux Pickup 22 model with 2 registered vehicles, each having a unique serial number and vehicle ID. Now let's add one more vehicle to this list. To do that, simply click on the Add button. The first step is to enter a vehicle code, which can be the vehicle number or any unique identification code. You can also set the status of the vehicle, whether it's available, in use, not working, or discontinued. One important field is the serial number, which is mandatory for every asset. The vehicle name is automatically displayed since all vehicles are registered under the same asset item. The operating unit will automatically be selected, but you can change it if needed from the drop-down list. Next, in allocation type, you'll define where the vehicle is being used. It could be assigned to a project, given to an employee, or kept in a facility. So if it's assigned to an employee, you'll need to select the employee's name from the list. Based on the selected option in the allocation type section, the corresponding list will update and appear in the adjacent field. You can also specify if the vehicle is under warranty by selecting the appropriate option. If you choose No, the validity period field will be disabled. However, if you select Yes, the validity period field will become editable, allowing you to select the warranty's valid until date. Similarly to the warranty process, if the vehicle is covered under an AMC, annual maintenance contract, you can specify the contract's expiry date. Further, you can add the asset details, like the purchase date, vendor name, purchase cost, model name, brand, and batch number. The system will automatically display the vehicle's current condition and update it as per future maintenance records. If the asset is no longer in use, you can also enter the discontinued date. You can also define who is managing the vehicle's maintenance, whether it's internal, outsourced, or under AMC, and mention the supplier name if it's under an AMC or outsourced. The system automatically updates the last service information based on the service history. After entering all the asset details, simply click Save to register the asset in the system. This is how you can add vehicles or any other equipment in the Fixed Asset Hub. The same process applies to machines, tools, or other equipment, making asset management easier and more organized. Let's talk about the Asset Details section. A standout feature of the system is its ability to automatically generate a unique QR code for each registered asset. This QR code can be affixed to the physical vehicle or equipment. By scanning the QR code through the mobile app, you can instantly access detailed information about the asset, including its maintenance history, service information, and current status, making asset tracking and management more streamlined and efficient. In the Maintenance Services section, you can record every maintenance activity for the asset. You can define the date, reason for maintenance, type of service performed, and the person or vendor who carried out the service. That's how simple it is to register vehicles or equipment in the Fixed Asset Hub. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.